Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I am Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're heading down to Costa Mesa, which is in Orange County here in California, and we're gonna check out the OC Fair. Let's get going. Alright, made it to the fair. As we all know, I'm only here for the food. we made it home safe. Thank you so much for joining me on this day trip to the OC Fair. I will put the link in the description below if you want to check out future OC Fair events. But definitely check it out. It's pretty fun. Plenty of rides, plenty of food, and lots of fun. It was pretty fun. It's been a long time since I've been to the fair, so I had a really good time. And definitely we'll probably go back again sometime next year. We'll see. Once again, I do hope you had a good time. Do come back next week because I have a whole new adventure just waiting for you. I hope you're doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.